Good afternoon. Today is Friday, November 17, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City, under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, November 17, 2023. Here are the SL Square 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City, under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 17, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of November 17, 2023, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.